If you run an accounting firm and clients constantly send document requests through emails or WhatsApp, this workflow will change everything. In this video, I'll show you how accounting firms automate client requests using Google Form with automatic emails sent to your internal team and instant confirmations sent to your clients. Let's get into it. You want to navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Form Mailer and click on Install. I have a full video with the step-by-step guide, and in the description all you have to do is click the link right there and it will take you straight to Form Mailer. Now you want to go to your Google Forms. Select your form, create a new one or select one. For this video, I already created a form. You want to add the essential fields to your form, which I already did for this video. Now you want to navigate to add-ons. Click on Form Mailer. Your form mailer will automatically be linked to the accounts you used during your installation process. So this can be your personal account or your company's account as well. Click on Manage Email Notification. When your form mailer pops up, you're going to see sender's name. This is what your clients will see whenever they receive an email from your team or they receive an email after submitting this form. So you want to put in the name you are associated with, and they already know. In here for this, I just use Accounting Pro. Now you want to navigate to your email template, your respondent mail. This is what your clients receive immediately after submitting the form, and in this you can put in the request type that they had from the form, and all you have to do is, let me quickly show you an example. You go to the form fields and then you click on whatever you had previously inserted in your form. Just click on request type and you can adjust this mail according to what you want. You can add in a picture, a link. You can reduce the size or increase the size. You can make it bold. You can change the font. So this can be arranged just the way you would want your clients to receive it in this bar, and you can just simply insert fields that you would want them to see after they fill their form in their email notification. Save changes. Next is the recipient, and this is your internal team. This is the notification they receive after a client has filled a form, so they can get into resolving it or looking into whatever your form might be about. You go through the same process to set this up. You can also insert the fields you want your internal team to see as well, and the type of action you want them to take immediately they receive this form. And all you have to do is save changes when you're done setting up your email with the same process as your respondent's mail. Next, you want to navigate to recipient detail. So this is your internal team and you can add as much as you would like. Example, press enter. You can insert as many as you'd like, and all you have to do is save changes. And that is it. Your form mailer has automatically been set up. Now let's test our form. publish. Let's copy link. Let's just quickly set this up and submit. Your team will instantly receive a mail sent to their inbox. Now let's check this out. Like you can see, Accounting Pro is written here, and they received all the details that was set up in your form. Your customer is also going to receive an mail just like this one with the details that they set up as well. Same thing that you might want them to see from their recipients, from the respondent mail. And that is it. You are done. Now with Form Mailer, you receive 15 emails a month, but you can extend this by going to upgrade your plan. All you have to do is click on the add-ons, click on manage accounts, and for $3 a month you can have 15,000 emails monthly, and for $30 a year you can have 15,000 emails monthly, 16% discount, and 24 hours support. Simply click on upgrade and it will work you through the process. And that's it. You can now automatically send emails to your clients and your internal teams. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and comment for more tutorials. And you can also let me know what tutorial you'd love to see next from Form Mailer. Thank you.